Hi, welcome to Dinosaur Review. Today we're going to be opening up the Edmontosaurus toy. This is a really cool toy. So let's get into it. I know all about Edmontosauruses. They actually make the noises from the thing up here. Kind of like a Lamiosaurus or a Corythosaurus. That's really cool though, how it kind of makes that noise from up here. They also digest the food by swallowing it and put rocks in their stomach, but they kind of chew it up too. So I don't think they put rocks in their stomach, like eat rocks and swallow them. But they are herbivores, so that means they eat plants. Really cool facts, right? And they also, but they do not do this. They're probably like 5 tons or something. I'm not really sure how much they weigh. Maybe on one of my channels, one of my videos, I should probably like do a dino fight. Corythosaurus versus Parasaurolophus. It actually sounds cooler than it looks. Yeah, the Parasaurolophus is kind of like this dinosaur, but it's taller and it can and it has like a crest that it can also make sounds from. That's really cool facts. So,
how does this toy work?
You mean how to make noise? You have to twist the tail left and right. And if you want its head to go up, you have to put the tail up. But if you want the head down, you can just... And I think its head moves like... Oh yeah, it does. So you can kind of go like this. I'm the king. Yeah, I'm just goofing off. I usually goof off sometimes. So I guess that's the Edmontosaurus. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye. See you.